everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. I found a new thrift store. I never went there before. And I have a fun video showing you a shopping haul and a little tour of the store. And I found something else out. The name of the store is Meg's Sweet Pickin Flea Market. And there's also 4 other stores owned by the same person in the shopping center where this is in Northwood, Ohio. And I'll have to tell you, when you go in, the staff is so wonderful. It is a big store, but if you want something and you're interested in something, all you have to do is ask them and they point you in the right direction. They'll even say, hey, it may be in our neighboring store. You may want to check next door. It was so nice, and they were so nice about helping me find what I was looking for. I was looking for new and different things to go on my collaboration with Lady Phoenix and Really Good Living, our Tea Party Club. So here's some things I found for the Tea Party Club. First of all, I found this beautiful blue set of it's got a teapot, the sugar bowl, the cream pitcher, and 4 cups, and all these plates, and they were $39, which at first I thought was high, until I got to looking on eBay, and I'll show you the prices of this set on eBay. I was shocked. This teapot on eBay is $100, just the teapot. But I will show you the comps on this set on eBay if I want to resell this. And that's my first set that I got. It has the dessert plates and the salad plates with it. It's got the cups and 4 cups and saucers, and the sugar bowl and cream pitcher. But wait till you see the next teapot. This is my next teapot. This is Debbie Moore's. It's hand painted with little bees all over it. And I know I see this in a future video. And same way with this teacup and saucer. This is a sunflower. I paid $6 for this bee, and I paid $5 for the cup and saucer that looks like a sunflower. Hope you liked my haul. And aren't they so beautiful? I love the blue. But the bee is so fun. I couldn't say no to $6 for that teapot. And now I'll show you the store. Look at all this is all punches and stamps, all kinds of scrapbook stuff. Here's some ribbon. Oh, and some beads. All kinds of books and patterns. stores painting ceramics. Here's a bunch from at a local flea market store. And see, you can even paint your own little Santa boots or Santa hats. They're only 50 cents. And there's a snowflake. There's a nativity scene. All kinds of things you can paint. Look at here. Here's an angel. And there's pilgrims. There's more snowflakes. Here's a whole nativity scene you can paint. This is stuff for, looks like weddings. This store, it made me and my husband think about our mother and grandmother's items because we've seen so many in this store.